today's focus is to show you how you can copy data or values from an external source into a formatted Google Sheets template without losing the formatting. Here we are inside my Sheetify CRM, my all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template. If you're interested in learning more about this Google Sheets CRM template, I will add the details down below in the description. Okay, so what I'm going to do is navigate up to Sheetify. This is our built-in menu and click on Add New Record. Now I want to add a new record in here. Let's say I've acquired a new lead through a booking form, and I want to manually copy and paste and add that data in here without losing the cell formatting. Okay, let's jump over to the contacts or leads details. As you can see, I use drop form for this request, and here's the example contacts information. You can see this is a potential lead. Now let's say I want to add the email. I'm going to copy this email, right click, copy, jump back into Google Sheets, and then under email, let's go ahead and paste in that email. I can also use Control-C, Control-V. Now you can see the formatting is not correct. So I'm going to delete this, and this time right click and use Paste Special and click on Values Only. And that's going to paste in the data, the value, without removing the formatting. Let's try that again. I'm going to come down, copy the name of this new lead, Control-C, back inside Google Forms, I'm going to right click, Paste Special, and Values Only. And as you can see, the full name has been added here. And it's as simple as that, to copy and paste values into formatted cells without losing the formatting. Again, if you're interested in any of our Sheetify CRM toolkits, which allow you to better manage your small business, I will add the relevant resources down below in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you add a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.